Hey friends, it's your friend Kim. Welcome back to Empower Her Strength, Fit and Free. And I'm Dynamic. And today we're diving into a topic that so many women ask me about. How to rebuild the pelvic floor. The strength after that hysterectomy. You know what? Recovery just isn't about your spirit. It's a symphony. Every breath, every posture, and every pause is a part of your healing rhythm. And if we rush into intense exercise too soon, you risk disrupting that rhythm. So today, my friend, I'll guide you through diaphragmatic breathing, pelvic and floor awareness, and some posture cues that set the foundation for safe, powerful recovery. First up, some education. Taking a deep breath with me and breathe. Let's listen with the connection between your diaphragm and pelvic floor. Imagine them, as a dance partner. We're dancing together. When one moves, the other one responds. On the inhale, your diaphragm expands. And the downward and your pelvic floor naturally relaxes on that exhale. Your diaphragm lifts your pelvic floor gently as it engages. Let's do it together. Inhale. Gently release. This rhythm is the foundation of your strength, my friend. Now, here's the caution. If you're like me, a fitness person, coach, jumping into heavy lifting, or even advanced yoga too soon can strain your healing tissues. Think of recovery like building a house. You wouldn't put the roof on before you laid the foundation. The foundation is set first. And your posture matters. Sit up tall, shoulders back, neutral spine. Your rib cage is stacked over your pelvis and your shoulders. Soft alignment isn't just about looking tall. It's about giving you and your muscles the right environment to heal. Shoulders back, stack those shoulders. Reflect right here with me. When you breathe right now, do you feel your belly expand and your chest rise? How often do you check it, with your posture throughout the day? Those shoulders back, even when you're standing at your refrigerator, what's one movement you've rushed back into that your body wasn't ready for? Mine wasn't ready to get in and out of the bed. I had to learn how to stack my knees and turn left to right to control that pelvic floor. Let's practice together right here. I want you to sit comfortably, feet down, shoulders back. Feel with purpose right here. You're going to feel your belly expand. Inhale with me. The pelvic floor softens. Exhale slowly. Imagine gently that the pelvic floor, like drawing up a blueberry. You have a blueberry, draw it up. Shoulders back. Relax. You know what? Repeat this for about 3 or 4 breaths. Now let's add some posture with your shoulders so that you feel relaxed and it's stacked over your pelvis, neutral spine. You want safe starter moves. Seated breathing with your posture up, feeling tall, supported. Inhale and exhale, stacking those ribs over the pelvis, breathing and lifting gently. Did you notice how the tension released when you exhaled? Which posture cue felt most natural for you, my friend? How does your body feel compared to the start of this exercise and the ending? Stack those shoulders. Let's try it one more time. Breathe in through the nose. Pull that blueberry up on the exhale. Great job. Listen, recovery is not just weakness. It's wisdom. Every breath rebuilds your strength. Affirm this with me. My recovery is powerful, patient, and purposeful. Every breath is a step forward and toward your freedom. And remember, if you are like me and I'm like you, Scripture reveals us. Be still and know that I am God. Stillness is not inactivity. It's preparation, my friend, for your strength. This is a new shift for you. What affirmation resonates most with you today? How can you bring stillness into your recovery routine? Let's recap here. Diaphragmatic breathing. Those gentle breaths helps you reconnect your core and pelvis floor. It sets the stage for your healing and patience. It prevents your setbacks. Your recovery is a journey, not a race. It celebrates every breath, every posture check, every gentle lift. My friend, if you're ready to go deeper, join me in December, where we'll explore hormonal supportive nutrition, posture resets, and affirmations designed for midlife strength. Until next time, my friend, you are fit, free, and flourishing, one breath at a time.